Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. If that's what you're into, just keep watching. All right, you guys, I have not filmed in like a month and a half. Life has been cruel, evil, and horrible, but we're not going to talk about that. We're going to have a good time. I picked up a palette I've wanted forever. It is like TikTok viral. I'm so excited to see how this goes. First, I need to do something with the lips. This is the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Pumpkin Pie Latte. Also, Bath & Body Works. What the hell? I'm pretty sure they discontinued pumpkin... What is it? The Pumpkin Latte. I can't even remember what it's called. I'm so upset, but it is like my favorite fall scent. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Bath & Body Works. Screw you. Like, what is your deal? You like literally have the best fall scent and then you just go and discontinue it? Okay, I am like really ticked off about this if you can't tell. That was my jam and they just up and were like, well, don't need this. So, anyway, really upset about that. I've been doing lots of running today, so my makeup is a little messy. It got cool and now it's hot again. Midwest. Don't move here, it sucks. Alright you guys, so this is it's got like a bunch of different names. It is the NOIRICORN eyeshadow palette, the BLIGHTMOON, and it's the collab with Ghoul in Japan. So the packaging, beautiful. That's the outer, just the box. And then look at this artwork. This is such a cool palette, but I also haven't really done makeup in a while. Like I've done makeup, but like your basic B makeup. So this is going to be quite the challenge for me. And I'm going to do a live right after this, so I don't have a lot of time. And then they sent me this crystal clear thing. I guess it's supposed to be like a primer or something. So I guess we'll try that. But yeah, now that I'm off my Bath & Body Works and Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte soapbox, I'm gonna do a live right after this, so I don't have a lot of time. So let's just, ooh, that one shade's getting kind of messy. All right, let's start. We are gonna start with, Bloodstone. Let's just start putting this down. Yeah, you guys, I just can't like afford things like I used to be able to. So that being said, this palette finally went on sale. I got it for like 34 bucks. It was on sale and then I had a coupon. And also, the fact that I'm gonna be doing live and I have like no time, we're gonna do the same look on both eyes. I usually do 2 different looks, but time, you know. But yeah, so I've been doing my best to survive. Life has not been great. I don't know if I really want to get into it or not. But, yeah, it's just been rough. We lost our husky. I'll say that. That was effing traumatic and horrible. It was almost 4 months today that we lost Sophie. And then some other stuff happened after that that was horrible. And so yeah, so I really want this space to be like a good positive thing because life is hard. All right, you guys, I still cannot find the perfect small thin blender brush. Like they're either like, it's like Goldilocks, right? Like they're either too thin, not thin enough, whatever, too big. It's just hard. It's just hard. Okay, now let's go in with, I guess let's blend that out with Grave Light, which is that shade right there. Also, I feel like I was taking pictures with my camera, which I also film with, and every time I do that, like, I don't know, I just can't get the settings right, so I'm not really sure what I did, but I feel like this is appearing way darker than I normally appear. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it looks okay with you guys. But yeah. I also have like no game plan for this look. Like I don't really know. I got this palette Thursday, looked at it. Sorry, I'm feeling a hair on the face for a quick second when I got it. And then that was kind of it. So I I mean, I've kind of like looked at some looks that other people have done with this palette and they're stunning. I just don't know that I have the time right this second, this go around with the palette to really like create anything that's like special, which I hate, but like you guys, I get so frustrated with my life because I just don't have any time to do anything that I want to do. And I know that that hurts me. Like if I had real time to dedicate to this channel, it could be a game changer for me. I just don't. Because I work full time. I take care of my mom. Like there's just not really any time for me to do the things that I want to do. So that's just the constant in my life. I get so flustered with myself, but like it's literally not my fault. I just was not blessed to not have to work full time and have an hour commute, sometimes 3 hours, you know, like either coming home or going back, and it sucks. But I know, I was just like, we're not gonna talk about the bad stuff, and it's just what all comes out. But it's been I've really been going through it. All right. I'm going to take the shade Soot, and we're just going to like stamp that on the lower lash line. Try to anyway. All right, so how have you guys been doing? Like, how has your life been? I know I've been MIA and like I miss this so much, but I just literally, life has been horrible to me. As usual. Like, it's unbearable most of the time, if I'm being honest. Alright, so, okay. Now, I need to find my little stamper brush. I call it my stamper brush. It's the brush I started out with. I guess we're going to take Wraithwood, which is like this darker gray, and we'll just stamp that on the outer portion of the eye. Shiver Me Timbers, literally a light with a brand new battery just went out. Hold on. All right, I really wish I could have some other like clock or something because I have no idea what time it is. So I don't know how late I'm running. I have no idea because my phone has to be plugged up way over there on the other side of the room. So it just makes this so hard, you guys. I just, time. Like if I could just have more time, I'd be great. But I know that's never gonna happen. All right, so we're stamping. We are darkening up that outer portion. And like, I don't know, you guys, I was like looking back at old photos and I just miss doing fun looks. Like I just miss having the time to like sit down and film, and it just really sucks. All right, we're gonna, okay, this is that NOIRICORN Crystal Clear. It came with the palette, so I guess I'm just gonna like dip my finger in here and we're just gonna use this like we would a glitter glue, I guess. I don't know, I'm a little nervous. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't really, I mean, I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes. We're just gonna try it, see what happens, hope for the best. Oh yeah, and I got my hair done. I feel more like me. I just wanted to try the highlight thing out for a minute. Felt like it was like a good summery thing. There is some red in my hair, but I doubt you can see it on camera. I didn't want to like put more bleach in it because curly hair and bleach, like it really dries out, and I was just getting my hair back to its normal state. So I was like, let's just put the red in it and see how it goes. So it's there. It's just a dark red, so like when the sun hits it you can see it, and it's just like little, I want mostly black. So all right. Okay, I want to start out with Ruby Flame, this red shade right here. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's very chunky. She's a very chunky shade. Let's see how it goes on. Ooh. Okay. 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 All right. I like it. I like it. I kind of feel like I need to go like a little bit in with my finger though, just to kind of smooth that out a little bit. Okay. Did not really plan on getting it down there, but that's kind of what happened when I used my finger, so that's okay. I like it. I like the way it's looking. I don't really like applying stuff with my fingers, but sometimes with the chunkier shades, you just kind of got to go in and smooth them out a little bit, or just use your finger from the very beginning. I have very fat fingers, so it's hard to get in that little corner, the inner corner of the eye. That's where I like to go in with a brush first. And then kind of get a little more on my finger and just kind of stamp it down a little bit. Like, look how beautiful that is. Holy crap. Okay. I do really, really like that. Just gonna want to blend that out a little bit. I kind of want to take this shade Obscura right here and just put it like in the center. I just want to see. Ooh, that one. Okay, it's not showing up as much as I kind of thought it would, but it's really pretty. It's a good little addition. All right, I hate that I have to rush this, but like my husband's up there with Indy. He needs to be leaving for work, and I don't know if he would like just be like, hey, I need to leave, or like wait for me. And like I said, I don't have my phone, so like I have no idea what time it is. So I'm gonna go do some eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, if you know, you know. Okay. All right, you guys. So, thoughts on the NOIRICORN Ghoul in Japan Blight Moon palette. Is that what it's called? It would. I wish they put the name of it on the actual palette, because if I lose this, I'm not gonna. But yeah, Blight Moon palette. Okay, again, I love the artwork. Did you guys see this? It's absolutely stunning. The palette is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Everything performed beautifully. Oh god, just look at the shimmers. Ooh. This is a good one. This is a good one. I am so glad that I picked this up. I think it is still on sale, but today is August 31st, so I don't know how long that sale is gonna be going on. Again, I picked it up off of the Talk Shop. I know YouTube doesn't like you saying names of the competitors, you know, but like YouTube's not gonna push my stuff out anyway because I haven't filmed in forever. That's one thing, man. You cannot work full time and keep up with a YouTube channel. You just can't. So I do the best I can, you guys. I do miss this. I promise, like, next time I'm gonna be better. We're just gonna talk about makeup and have fun, and it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna try and film at least every Saturday. That's probably all that I can do, even though today's Sunday. I just couldn't film yesterday, so I'm trying to like make it all work. But anyway, yeah, you guys, let's do a little final look before I forget. All right, guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the dark hair again. I just feel like me. Like, I come to life in fall and like winter and spring before it gets way too hot. But like that nasty hot part of spring and summer, just not for me. It's not my thing. So anyway, that is it. I gotta get running. I gotta get ready for my live now. So yeah, you guys, I'm trying to do lives as often as I can on Sundays. It's just sometimes I have to allow my batteries to recharge, and the only time I can do that is like Sunday afternoon when I normally do live. So I'm gonna try and do them as often as I can. Let's just put it that way, because sometimes things happen, you guys. Life is unforgiving, I can tell you that much, but I'm doing my best. I'm still here. Through all the bad things that happened, like, I realized that I will be okay. And that was really, really important for me to know. Like, I will be okay. I have been through hell and back. Like, I'm not even kidding when I tell you this, especially lately, and I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still fighting. Like, I will be okay. So that is the most important thing that I needed to learn. And even though things have been really painful and really hard, and I don't know what the end result of everything is going to be, at least I know that I will be okay. And I think that's an important lesson that we all can walk away from. Like, things will be okay. They're going to be hard, but you will be okay because you are strong and you can do it. So yeah, that's my little pep talk, you guys. Thank you so much. If you watch this and if you stuck around, I know I've had to take some breaks. But yeah, if you're watching this, I appreciate you so much. I hope you know that. This channel means a lot to me, and I am so thankful for all of you that I met, my friends that I've made. You are all the reason that I'm still here, so thank you. And remember that you're beautiful and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.